Let us solve for x and y given x square plus y square is equal to 34. X plus y is equal to 8. Take note of this, that if you have x square plus y square, this is equal to x plus y all square minus 2xy. X square plus y square is equal to 34. Let us label this equation 1. Then x plus y is equal to 8. Let us label this equation 2. Then from here, we already know that x plus y, which is this, is equal to 8. X plus y is equal to 8. Then x square plus y square is equal to 34. X square plus y square is equal to 34. Then this can be written as 34 is equal to 8 square minus 2xy. Then this is 34 is equal to 8 square, that is 64, minus 2xy. Here we have 34 minus 64 is equal to minus 2xy. 34 minus 64, this is minus 30, is equal to minus 2xy. We are looking for xy, then let's divide this by minus 2 and this divided by minus 2. This minus 2 cancel this minus 2. Minus 2 here 1, minus 2 here, that is 15. Therefore, xy is equal to 15. Let us call this equation 3. Now let us solve equation 2. 2 and 3 together. Equation 2 is s plus y is equal to 8. Equation 3 is sy is equal to 15. Now from equation 2, we have s plus y equal to 8. Let's make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 8 minus s. Let us call this equation 4. Then from equation 3, sy is equal to 15. Let us substitute for y, which is 8 minus x. Here we have s bracket 8 minus s is equal to 15. Let's open the bracket with x. S multiplied by 8, that is 8s minus s multiplied by x, that is s square, is equal to 15. Then this is 8x minus s square minus 15 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. This will give minus 8s plus s square plus 15 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. S square minus 8s plus 15 is equal to 0. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 15. S is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 15. divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 8. This is 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 squared. That is 64 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 15. That is 60 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 60. That is 4 divided by 2. This can be written as S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus 2 divided by 2, or S is equal to 8 minus 2 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus 2. This is 10 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. S is equal to 5. This is S1. And from here, S is equal to 8 minus 2. This is 6 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. S is equal to 3. Let us call this S2. We've gotten the value of S1 and S2. Let us solve for Y1 and Y2. To solve for Y, from equation 4, Y is equal to 8 minus X. Then Y1 is equal to 8 minus, if S1 is 5, we have 5. Y1 is equal to 8 minus 5. This is 3. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 8 minus S2 is 3. Y2 is equal to 5. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 5, 3. Then S2, Y2 is equal to 3, 5. These are the corresponding value of S and Y. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S squared plus Y squared is equal to 34. And S plus Y is equal to 8. If S is equal to 5 and then Y is equal to 3, let us consider this. We have S squared plus Y squared can be written as 5 squared plus 3 squared must be equal to 34. 5 squared, this is 25, plus 3 squared, that is 9, must be equal to 34. 25 plus 9, this is 34, is equal to 34, which is true. Let us consider this. S plus Y, this is 5 plus 3, must be equal to 8. And of course, 5 plus 3, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.